This car promises to be a competitor worth taking notice of. It has an interesting design that stands out among other SUVs, and it has been upgraded with the new technology seen in today's automobiles. In the middle stage of its life cycle, the Geely Coolray 2023, the new version, features headlamps with either halogen bulbs or full LEDs. Geely Coolray colors are now available in 5 trending colors, including silver, red, orange, white, and blue. The car's exterior design follows the trends of other subcompact crossovers on the market, but with a sportier image to appeal to young people who are looking for something trendy and fun. The 2023 Geely Coolray interior is sure to provide an exciting and comfortable experience at the same time. A 2,600mm wheelbase provides ample legroom and headspace for passengers sitting in the vehicle within the cabin. Some of the most noticeable details of this vehicle include soft leather accessories finished in 2 contrasting shades to create more depth. This Chinese automobile offers its customers a 3-spoke steering wheel with a flat bottom and integrated functions. It also has an LCD digital screen that offers technical information, which is convenient when driving. The new 10.25 touchscreen infotainment system is metallic with red trim on the dashboard, adding an extra touch of class. The highest trim comes equipped with the latest in high-end features, including a panoramic sunroof and leather seating for those who want some luxury behind the wheel. Geely Coolray Comfort will amaze you with 360-degree cameras and an automatic parking function that ensures safety for people of all ages. Everything you need to make your journey as comfortable as possible. The Chinese brand has also confirmed that the Geely Coolray engine will have no change. Similarly, this vehicle uses a 4-cylinder engine block producing a 1.5-liter capacity with a maximum power of 177 horsepower and 255 Nm of torque. Geely Coolray top speed can reach a maximum of 195 km per hour, a quite impressive ability, to say the least. This automobile comes with an array of safety features. Most notably, there are the driver and front passenger airbags, as well as side airbags and curtain airbags. The vehicle also contains a traction control system and a set of sensors that allow parking automatically via the actuation of cameras that create a 360-degree view around the vehicle. Moreover, the vehicle is well protected against impacts in several areas, including frontal, side, and head. Its protection of children scored highly in both a dynamic test and an installation test. This demonstrates that it is able to offer a high level of safety in all aspects of automotive safety testing.